This is very common. Anytime I have Home Depot come up on my watch, Lowe's is usually very closely followed behind. So Lowe's is actually at highs again. You can check out the weekly candle, see what it looks like. Okay, weekly candle is confirming a continuation, basically. Not really much else. Not necessarily a breakout. However, if you look back here a little bit further, you can see it is actually breaking out. So we got a top here, came down, basically kind of like an inverted head and shoulders, but not necessarily, not ideal. What it looks like is a V bottom, a little bit of move up, flag consolidation, pull back, and now it's off and running again. Looks like it could keep going. We are in home improvement season. Interest rates rising, less people buying houses, more people putting money into improving their houses that they already have. So with that in mind, let me see when were earnings. Earnings are probably about the same time as Home Depot, 5/24. Okay, so about 3 weeks from now. Now, if we do get over this 86 level, which is going to be the level that I'm watching here, looks like it could form a cup and handle type of breakout here. We're basically testing the exact previous all-time highs, and it means there's no level for the shorts to really short against. So go ahead and put this long over 86.02. Decent looking little trend there to close out the day, and go with that as far as my stop. And if that does trigger in, I'm going to go ahead and put my target up here at the next round number of 87. Now it could potentially pull back here to the 8-period exponential moving average. A lot of stocks don't like to really separate too far from it, and when they do, you can see it does turn out to be a pretty good sized move. So if it triggers me in, that'll be a breakout type of trade. Get in, ride as long as possible, and if price starts going up, my stop loss will be tightened up here quite a bit. So keep that in mind. And any pullback here to around this 85.15, 85.13 area, I don't think it'd come back down that far, but I will be looking down here for possible supports as well. You go ahead and put that price level on there, and we'll see what happens with this on Monday.